Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 9th April, Friday. So this analysis is for Friday only. You'll see me on next week again with the analysis for the coming week. I bring videos on daily basis, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as you all know, I have started this channel recently. It's been just more than 1 month, and I have received many comments and messages where people have expressed their pain of losing money. And being a beginner once, I also made some huge mistakes and blew out my capital. So I know how painful it is. So therefore, I have recently uploaded this course for beginners. Okay, you'll find in my YouTube channel where I have try to explain the basic concepts that you require to start your trading journey. You will just find the basic concepts like the how the chart works, how to find the levels, support and resistances, how the indicators work and all. So if you are a complete beginner and you have no clue about the functioning of the market and you are losing money in the market, then this free course will help you. Okay, so please do check out if you're a beginner. And now let's jump to the chart of Euro GBP. As we all know, the pair Euro GBP is in downtrend for last 3 months. Okay, last 3 months. This is the overall trend of Euro GBP. Okay, undoubtedly the market is extremely bearish. Okay, and if I switch to the weekly time frame, okay, I have already told you in my previous videos that market was very oversold or very much oversold, extremely oversold. So we knew that market was about to make a move towards the upside, and right now we can see that yes, market has found a green candle. So what should be a strategy then? So to be very honest, okay, to be very honest, considering few factors, okay, like overall trend, okay, overall trend of the market is down. Okay, present trend. What is the present trend? Very much bullish. Okay, just look at the size of these candles. Okay, just look at the size of these present candles, then you'll understand the buying pressure. Okay, if you just keep aside the overall picture and just concentrate on this particular candles, then you'll understand how bulls are trying their best to take the market upward. So the present trend is towards the upside. Okay, so these two factors are not adding up. Okay, these two factors are not matching, and we can see that. So and we can see that there is a resistance here. Okay, and second resistance is here, but overall right now market is in a resistance zone. Okay, market is in resistance zone, and therefore, and seeing this price rejection from above, okay, so definitely it's a sell order. We can easily short the market, it's not it, but you can see that market is kind of oversold also. Okay, so things are not adding up. Okay, market is in, okay, market is in resistance zone, but market is oversold. So there may be a chance that market will come a little, then market will go up again. Okay, and 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 if I simply concentrate on these candles, okay, if I simply concentrate on these candles, do you think you should short the market? Okay, just try to understand the market psychology and tell me. Okay, in no easily you can tell that market is very much bullish. Bulls are dominating the market. Okay, so in a market like this, we should always look for shorting opportunity, but overall trend is towards the downside. So things are very much confusing in Euro GBP right now. Things were pretty much simple when market was in downtrend. We were looking for market to short the shorting opportunity. Whenever market was going up, taking resistance, getting resistance from the 50 MA, we were shorting the market. But things have changed now. Mark Overall trend is downside. Present trend is very much bullish. Market is in resistance zone. Price rejection from above. but market is in oversold zone. So things are very much complicated. If you want to take some risks, then you can short the market right now. But I'll tell you that if your money is precious and if you have got some hard-earned money, okay, then your hard-earned money does not deserve a chart like this. My policy is simple. If you do not understand the chart, you do not need to trade. There are multiple opportunities available in other pairs. So why do you want to risk your money in a chart that you do not understand? Okay, so if possible, avoid Euro GBP for Friday. Okay, let's see how the things roll and in the next week. Okay, but as of now, if you ask me personally, I would not trade in Euro GBP today. So this is the analysis for Euro GBP. Hopefully you have understood the logic and reasoning behind it. This analysis if is from my point of view. If your point of view varies, then please do write in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you next week.